What if the moon just vanished? No warning, no explosion. Just gone. No more full moons. No more tides. No more romantic night skies. It might not sound like a big deal at first, but Earth without the moon would be a very different and much more chaotic place. Today on ThinkCosmos, we're exploring what would actually happen if the moon disappeared. The science might surprise you. Let's start with the most obvious effect: tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides we see every day. Without the moon, tides would shrink by nearly 2/3. They'd still exist, thanks to the sun's gravity, but they'd be much weaker. That may sound like a relief if you've ever been caught in a rising tide. But tides are essential for life. They move nutrients through the oceans. They shape coastlines. They even help drive ocean currents that regulate our planet's climate. Without strong tides, entire marine ecosystems could collapse. Species that depend on tidal zones could vanish. Next, we will exalt our Earth's shields. Right now, Earth's axis is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, and it stays fairly stable over long periods of time. That tilt is what gives us seasons. Summer, winter, spring and fall, all thanks to how Earth leans as it orbits the sun. But here's the thing, the moon acts like a gravitational stabilizer. It keeps Earth's tilt from wobbling too much. Without it, Earth's axis could start to drift wildly over millions of years. It could tilt 10 degrees, or even 60. That means extreme changes in climate. Imagine the Arctic facing the sun for months at a time. Imagine the equator freezing over. Whole ecosystems would shift. And human civilizations? We'd have to completely adapt or move. Now let's talk about nighttime. Without the moon, our nights would get dramatically darker. Moonlight reflects sunlight and brightens the night sky. Take that away and stargazing would be incredible. But every day, life would change. For most of human history, the moon has been a natural light source. It shaped how we traveled, hunted, and told time. Many animals, especially nocturnal ones, rely on moonlight to navigate, hunt, and avoid predators. Without it, ecosystems would shift. Even humans might experience changes in sleep patterns, culture, and rituals. And here's one more thing. The moon protects Earth. Its presence affects the orbit of asteroids and space debris. It's like a gravitational shield. Without it, Earth could face more frequent impacts from meteors or comets. So, what happens if the moon disappears? Our tides weaken. Our axis drifts. Our ecosystems collapse. Our nights grow darker. And our future becomes much less stable. The moon might seem like a quiet neighbor, but it plays a massive role in Earth's balance. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, without that glowing rock, life on Earth might not even be possible. Thanks for watching ThinkCosmos. If this episode left you moonstruck, hit subscribe for more AI-powered journeys into the mysteries of science, space, and the future of our world. And until next time, keep wondering.